Apple cider vinegar is a very popular cooking ingredient. It is used in salad dressing, marinades, preservatives, and more. And what apple cider vinegar is a fermented liquid that's fairly high on the acidic scale, by the way, but it's a fermented liquid that is made by crushing apples and squeezing out the liquid. And there you have apple cider vinegar. Now, many people wonder if it's safe to take apple cider vinegar while fasting. And they're also curious to know if apple cider vinegar will actually break their fast or kick them out of ketosis, which is a process that happens when your body stops burning carbs for energy and instead begins burning fat. In this video, I'll tell you about why I think apple cider vinegar is a great addition to your fast, and I also talk to you about how it will actually affect your fast. And I also touch on how much you should take if you decide to add apple cider vinegar to your intermittent fasting regimen. So keep on watching and stay tuned. This is Lou from My Age Strength. Don't forget to show love, subscribe, and help me grow. Let's get started. Lower blood sugar levels and a boost in weight loss are usually on the list of benefits and reasons why many people or most people begin intermittent fasting in the first place. Now, what's great about apple cider vinegar is that many studies show that it helps to do the same thing: lower blood sugar levels and boost weight loss. So there is a positive and synergistic combination between the two that increases those effects and helps kick off those processes quicker and faster. One of the biggest benefits of intermittent fasting outside of autophagy is that it helps your body get into ketosis, which is when your body burns stored fat as opposed to burning the energy derived from foods as an immediate fuel source. And the reason why this is ideal is because as you lose weight from intermittent fasting, you will lose a higher percentage of fat, which is better with regard to body composition or overall body composition. Long story short, lower body fat helps your muscles become more visible. So the question becomes, how do you get into ketosis, or how do you maintain ketosis? To stay in ketosis, you have to maintain a low carb intake. According to the NIH, or National Institute of Health, and I'll post this link in the description box below, ketogenic diets are characterized by a marked reduction in carbohydrates. More specifically, with no more than 50 carbs per day. The lower, the better. And this diet usually by default, because of the lower carb intake, has a higher increase in protein intake and fats. Even higher with the fats, which is what your body will begin using as fuel or as its main source of fuel while you're in ketosis. And this is why while you intermittent fast, you can kick your body into ketosis after fasting for a certain period of time. It's because you are abstaining from food and there's no food for your body to use as fuel. So eventually it will kick into ketosis and start burning fat as its main source of fuel. Apple cider vinegar actually helps to contribute to your intermittent fasting goals because it also helps to lower blood sugar levels, your satiety, and it helps to reduce your insulin levels, all of which supports the effects of intermittent fasting. Plus, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar only contains about 3 calories and just 1 gram of carbs. Therefore, you could take 1 serving of apple cider vinegar without breaking your fast. So it's something that you can consume while fasting, and it will not affect or negatively affect your fast or kick you out of ketosis. It will actually enhance your fast and increase the benefits you get from your fast. And also, if you practice intermittent fasting, then you might be familiar with those hunger pains that, come and go as you intermittent fast or as you're in your fasting window. Studies show that taking apple cider vinegar while you're in your fasting window actually helps fight against that, even after you break your fast and reach your feeding window. Many studies show that adding apple cider vinegar to your meal in some way, shape, or form actually helps to increase the feeling of fullness or your satiety. So long story short, you won't be tempted to binge eat as much. There you go. That's how apple cider vinegar helps you during your fast. Oh, and in case you were wondering how much to consume, taking just 1 to 2 tablespoons per day should be enough to help reap those benefits coupled with your intermittent fasting. Of course, also be sure to follow whatever the recommended serving size is per the supplement label. Also, apple cider vinegar is a very acidic liquid, so be sure to dilute it with water when you consume it to help it go down easier. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. Be sure to comment below and let me know your thoughts or give me some feedback. As always, thank you for watching. This is Lou from YA Strength. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.